Underneath the melted cheese and the tomato sauce is crispy eggplant parmesan. There's already pieces missing because it's that good. And hey, if you don't like eggplant, it's okay. You can use the same recipe to make chicken parmesan.
To make this eggplant or chicken parmesan, begin by setting up your breading station. One shallow dish with flour, one with beaten eggs, and one with a mix of breadcrumbs, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Now you're going to cut the eggplant into half-inch rounds, discarding both of the ends. Then dust each piece with flour, dip it into the egg, and coat evenly with the breadcrumb mixture. Lay each piece on a baking sheet and repeat the process until all the pieces are breaded. You'd do exactly the same thing if you wanted to make chicken parmesan with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Next, heat a large frying pan to medium-high heat and generously coat the bottom of the pan with olive oil. When the oil is hot enough to sizzle when a breadcrumb is dropped in, place as many pieces of eggplant into the pan as you can, leaving enough room to flip them over. Brown them on both sides and then remove them and set them aside on a greased baking tray. You're likely going to need to fry them in batches and add extra olive oil between the batches. Once all are fried nicely, spoon marinara sauce onto each one. Then generously mound shredded mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses onto each piece. Into the oven the tray goes, and out it comes with ooey, gooey, beautifully melted and bubbly cheese on top.
Of course, you can serve up the eggplant parmesan with a little pasta and tomato sauce on the side, and it makes a complete meal.
You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.